is your ideal person? Is your ideal person from your family? Is your ideal person famous? Have you ever met your ideal person? Why do you admire your ideal person? What qualities do you like in your ideal person? Is your ideal person kind and helpful? Does your ideal person inspire you? Do you want to be like your ideal person? What have you learned from your ideal person? Is your ideal person hardworking? Is your ideal person honest and sincere? Does your ideal person care for others? Has your ideal person faced any struggles? What is the biggest achievement of your ideal person? Does your ideal person motivate you to do better? Do you talk about your ideal person with others? Do you follow your ideal person on social media? Would you like to meet your ideal person one day? How has your ideal person changed your life?